Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to start your Honda Odyssey with the remote. First, locate the remote start button on your key fob. It often looks like a circular arrow or an engine symbol. Make sure your Odyssey is within a reasonable distance, typically up to 100 feet, and that all doors are closed and locked. This ensures the system can safely engage. To begin, press the lock button on your key fob once. This confirms the vehicle is secured. Then, within about 5 seconds, press and hold the remote start button. You'll need to hold it down for at least 2 seconds. Watch for the parking lights to flash, indicating the engine has successfully started. The engine will run for about 10 minutes. Once your Odyssey is running remotely, you can approach and unlock the doors using your key fob or the smart entry system. The engine will continue to run even after you open a door. To fully take control and drive, simply get in, close the door, and press the engine start button on the dashboard. You are then ready to go. Keep a few things in mind for optimal remote start use. The system might not engage if your fuel tank is nearly empty. Also, if you don't enter the vehicle within 10 minutes, the engine will automatically shut off. For safety, never use remote start in an enclosed area, such as a garage, due to exhaust fumes. Enjoy the convenience.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.